Hey, it's LOURDES Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by MADDY PEREZ, and let's get into it. I'll be priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Priming my eyes with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. From the ColourPop Coldstone palette, I'll be using the shade Quarry Days as my crease and transition shade. Cutting my crease with the base booster from BH Cosmetics. On my eyelids, I'll be using Magnetic Moon all over my lids and wing it out. Going back to Quarry Days to fix up the cut crease. Brightening up the inner corner with the shade I Dig It. Creating a cat eye with Glam Vice or Confetti Beauty in the shade Disco Fever. Smudging Rock Bottom on my lower lash line and seal the deal with Confetti Beauty's Disco Fever, and then cleaning everything up with the makeup remover. On my lashes, I'll be using Dual Lash Glue, Ardell, and Wispies. For concealer, I'll be using the Allegra Pro Concealer in Natural. For contour, I'll be using the Allegra Pro Concealer in Espresso. I'll be using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in Bali as my blush. For highlight, I'll be using ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Wisp. For lip liner, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. And for lipstick, I'll be using the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Parker. Using Morphe 2 Face and Eyegloss for that glossy look. Going back to BH Cosmetics Base Booster along with the JCat Beauty in Lion Silver for that hint of glitter for the New Year look. And that is it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!